Good morning students. Today's topic is division of 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Division of 4-digit number by a 1-digit number means here we will get 4-digit number dividend. Okay, 1-digit number as divisor. Okay, for example 3986 divided by 2 is there. Okay, 3986 divided by 2. Here this 3986 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. This is capital D and this is small d. Okay, now we'll do division. When we are doing division, we'll write dividend capital D in the middle and small d divisor here. Okay, now we have to do division. For this, first we have to write 2 table. Okay, look here. This is 2 table. Okay, first there are steps are there to do this problem. 4 steps are there. In that first step is compare. We have to compare thousands place. Okay, for addition, subtraction, multiplication we will do from this side, but for division we will do from this side. Okay, thousands place. Okay, here what is the digit in thousands place? 3. Is 3 is greater than 2 or less than 2? Greater than 2. So we can divide 3 by 2. So we'll take, now we'll divide. Okay, first we have to compare. If it is divisible by this divisor, then we should continue. Okay, by dividing. In 2 table we will not get 3. Before 3 we will get 2. Okay, so we'll take 2 ones are 2. So we'll write here 1, 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay, now we have to do subtraction. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, now the second step is you have to bring this hundreds place here. Okay, this is ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds place is here. Now again we have to compare. 19. 19 is divisible by 2 or not? No, but 19 is greater than 2. 19 is greater than 2. So we can divide. Before 19 which number will get? 18. So we'll take this. 2 9s are 18. Okay, now we have to do subtraction again. 19 minus 18 is 1. Okay, now the third step is bring down this tens place. Bring down this tens place. Here we will get 8. Okay, now what is the number here? 18. 18. 2 9s are 18. So we'll write directly 2 9s are 18. Now we'll do subtraction. 18 minus 18 is 0. Okay, now the step 4 is bring down this ones place. Okay, in 2 table when we get 6, yes, 2 3s are 6. So we'll write here 3. 2 3s are 6. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. Here remainder is 0 and quotient is 1993. Okay, now we will do check. Formula for check is S. Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. What is the quotient here? 1993 into, here we will write 1993 into, what is divisor? 2. 2 plus remainder is 0. Okay, we'll multiply this. 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18. 8 here, 1 carry. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. We got 3986. Is it dividend or not? Yes, it is dividend. So this problem is correct. Okay. Like this we will do division. Now I will explain one more example. Okay, look here. Second, 6482 divided by 8 is there. 6482 divided by 8. Now we'll write, this is the capital D and this is the small d. Now we'll do division. We'll write dividend here, 6482, and we'll write this 8 here. Okay. Now, which table we have to get to do this problem? Yes, 8 table. So, now I will write 8 table here. 8 table. Now, our first rule is we have to compare thousands place. Okay, first step is we have to compare thousands place. What is the digit in thousands place? 6. 6 is greater than or 8 or less than 8? Less than 8. Here we got greater than, so we did directly. If we get less than, then we have to take 2 digits. Okay, here 2 digits, it will be 64. In 8 table, when we get 64, 8 8s are 64. So we'll write 8 8s are 64. Now we'll do subtraction. Okay, 64 minus 64 is 0. And the second step is we have to bring this 8 here. Okay, now in 8 table we will get 8. Yes, 8 ones are 8. Now we'll do subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we have to take these 2 here. This is step 3. Okay, in 8 table we will get 2. No, before 8 ones are 8, there will be 8 zeros are 0. So we'll take 8 zeros are 0. Okay, 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay, this is remainder and this is a quotient. Listen carefully. If you get 2 here only, here it is smaller than 8. So don't stop here only. We have to write this also. 8 zeros are 0. Okay, now we'll check this problem. Okay, check. What is the check formula? Yes, dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. What quotient we got? 810 into divisor 8 plus what remainder we got? 2. Now we'll multiply this. Okay, 810 into 8. 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64. Therefore, we got 6480 plus this 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6482 is the answer. Is it divided or not? Yes, means this answer is correct. Okay. Sometimes we will get 4 steps, sometimes we will get 3 steps. Okay. If the digit in the thousands place is greater than, means we will get 4 steps. If the digit in the thousands place is less than divisor, means it will get 3 steps. Okay. Now I will explain one more example. Example 3. 4983 divided by 4 is there. Okay. This is a dividend and this is a divisor. Now we'll write 4983 in middle and 4 will write here. Okay. Now look here. What is the digit in the thousands place? 4. Is it equal to divisor or greater than or less than? Equal to. Then we can do directly. To do this problem, we have to write 4 table here. Okay. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay. Now we'll do 4 ones are 4. So we'll write 4 ones are 4. Now subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. Step 2 is we have to bring this digit here. 9. In 4 table we'll get 9. No. Before 9, 8 will get. So 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Now we'll do subtraction. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now the step 3. We have to bring this 8 here down. Now check. In 4 table we will get 18. No. We will get 16. When we get 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. So we'll write this 4 here. 4 fours are 16. Now we have to do subtraction. 18 minus 16 is 2. Now the next step is we have to bring this 3 ones place here. 23. In 4 table we will not get 23. We will get 20. Before 23 we will get 20. So 4 5s are 20. So we will write here 5. 4 5s are 20. 23 minus 20 is 3. This 3 is a remainder and this 1245 is a quotient. Okay. This is D equal to 4983. Small d equal to 4 and quotient is equal to 1245 and the remainder is equal to 3. So we will do check now. What is the formula of check? Is D equal to Q, capital Q into small d plus R. Quotient into divisor plus R. Quotient. What is the quotient here? 1245 into 4 plus 3. Now we will multiply this. 1245 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 0 here. 2 carry. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 1 carry. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 1s are 4. Therefore we will get 4980 plus 3. That is 4983 we got. Is it equal to dividend or not? Yes. Means this problem is correct. Okay. Very simple. Here listen carefully. If the thousands place is greater than divisor means we will get 4 steps. If it is less than divisor means we will get 3 steps. Okay. Now I will give some homework for you. Look here children, textbook page number 128, exercise 1. Here 5 problems are there. Do this. Okay. Do this in your fair notes. These all are greater than, like this. Greater than is there. So we'll get here, for all these we will get 4 steps. Okay. Here we will get only 3 steps. Okay. Do this also. Exercise 2 also. Exercise 1 5 problems and exercise 2 5 problems. Up to here complete in your fair notes. Okay. Thank you.